Hi, I'm Matt Dagley, and this is The Daily. I'm ready to go. Are you ready? Are you? Alright, let's go. So last night I was hanging out with Dan. You guys might remember him from deathBOX Productions. He was in some of those videos. And we were going to jump in my car and get something to eat, and it wouldn't start. So I called roadside assistance, and they were able to boost the vehicle with the battery. And now I'm going to see if the car will start, and I'll go get a new battery. Let's see what happens. Yes, the car starts like normal. So now I'm just going to drive over and get them to put in a new battery. All right, that was successful. I was really worried it wasn't going to start, and I'd have to call roadside assistance again and go through all that crap with the automated phone line and all that fun stuff. But we're good. All right, going to get a new battery. See ya. Got a package in the mail. I ripped open the top. I didn't look inside yet because I was like, oh, I should film this. And so let's take a look. Here's the envelope. Let's see if I can get this out with one hand. And it's my new microphone, my replacement from Rode. And it's got my name on it. Look at that. Talk about service. So I just had to put down the camera to undo the zip lock. That's just stuff. And so there's the new microphone. I'll have to put the camera down again just to open it up and take a look at it. So the microphone has been completely redesigned. So there's a more flexible rubber on the actual mic, as well as on the plug itself. There's a more flexible tip, like a flexible end. So looking forward to start using that at weddings this summer. So as you can see here, the new Rode mic is on the right. It has a completely redesigned, more flexible cord on the end of the plug, where the old wireless mic, you can see it's more rigid right here, and I think that's what was causing some of the issues. So I'm glad they redesigned it, and I'm glad they sent me the redesigned model. So anytime you get any new audio gear, you should always test it out. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to set it up with this camera, with the GH5S. And it's the filmmaker kit from Rode. Actually, here's all the receivers and everything. So I got the new Rode lavalier mic hooked right here on my shirt. Normally you'd wear like a sweater or something, so it would clip on better, like a jacket. And I got the wire normally you'd run under your shirt, but I guess got it going through my back. And then I got, it's on my belt. Got the pack here with the new cable connected. And yeah, how does it sound? I got the receiver mounted on the handle of the camera. So yeah, let me know how that sounds. I'm sure it sounds pretty good. So quick update, I'm now in Bridgewater. I got the battery changed. I think it only took about 20 minutes for them to get a new battery in there and check it and see what was going on. So that was good. Midas, lower sack fill, come recommended. Non-sponsored. Let's see. So yeah, so now I'm in Bridgewater. And I'll be dropping off Judy's tapes. So now it's Friday. I had a really good day in Bridgewater yesterday, Thursday. I'm probably going to watch this on Saturday, so that's the last time I'm ever going to talk about what day or time it is, because it gets really, really confusing. Right now I'm making lunch, just boiling some water, make some craft dinner. I'm no professional like Deuce.
Dining with Deuce, sorry. Dinner with Deuce, since you can edit that out anyway.
Actually, I did a little series before I went to film school called Mondays with Matt, and I think I actually put on a chef hat and tomato soup. Usually 3 or 4 cans will do it. I actually only have one so it's probably gonna suck. Did some cooking on there. It was terrible. Don't watch it. So as you can tell, doing the show daily has become impossible. So the first week was a lot of fun, but as you try and book paid video projects as well, it just piles up. So I'm gonna try and do one a week at least, and then weeks where I don't have a lot going on, I'll do more. But you know, you'll see them on YouTube as I get them together. Today's viewer question is, I gotta look at the screen. If it came down to it, would you rather be eaten by your friends or by your enemies? I think if I'm about to be eaten, at that point I'm probably dead. So it probably doesn't matter. They can share it around, friends and enemies. I mean, once you're gone, if they want to chow down, that's up to them. Like, that's a funny question. Did you hear? Baywatch is back. David Hasselhoff and the gang. Amazon Prime, they remastered the original Baywatch series. It's now in HD, and you can get it on Amazon Prime. And if that's your thing. Alright, so I've been doing some work around the office. I got all my invoices and expenses all updated on QuickBooks, which is not exciting at all. And I shredded some old documents. Just had a lot of paperwork that really didn't need to be collecting anymore, so I ran those through the shredder. Makes good fire starter too, so actually I'm going out to do yard work right now and pick up a lot of the twigs and branches that fell down through the winter. And I'll burn all that stuff together. So that's the end of another Daily Dagley, and I'll see you next time. Later. No, seriously. Goodbye. That's it. See ya. Did you hear? Baywatch is back. That was too much.